long, it's like taking a Viagra. It's like I got 10 seconds of boost.
Yeah. Good Christ! Oh my God! My wife just said that's what we need, Randy.
Oh Lord, here we go. And so it begins.
Any plans for this as of right now besides
Trying to make it work.
trying to make it work?
I want to go 15 miles on the chicken boost. Yeah, I lost it then on the main drag here because I wanted to try and get on under the bridge and nothing.
I saw you gun it on the highway. I'm like, hey, he has good.
Oh, dude, on the highway, I was like, yes. She's sitting there like this, and I'm like,
Yep.
yeah, I'm not letting off until this thing stops working.
Yeah.
I only have so long. It's like taking a Viagra. It's like I got 10 seconds of boost.
Yeah.
Yeah, use them while you can.
Freaking runs it out.
Could you run me really quick through the spec on this car? I see those Senna seats, right?
Yeah. So, pretty simple car. It's a McLaren orange. No carbon on the outside.
Yeah.
Everything's gloss black. The louvers and a few other things are usually carbon, but they actually made it black also.
Okay.
So it's really cool. And then the whole inside of the car I did in carbon because I actually couldn't see it. So like even the air vents are carbon in the car, which is kind of rare.
Of course, the roof scoop. You know, that's an option.
The most unnecessary option of all time.
Oh, but it looks so race car. Doors are great. Oh yeah.
Yeah. So literally everything is carbon. It's super
Oh, it
cool.
smells so good in here. I love
The
it.
car's a race car. I mean, it really is.
Race car, and they still find room to put a nice big ass cup holder in there.
We got two of them. One in the front.
Oh, you do? Yes. And that's a
We went
great
all
place
out.
to put one there too, so that way it doesn't get stuff anywhere.
McLaren that actually has like stuff there that holds it. So
Oh.
when I go fast, it actually.
It holds it in place.
Yeah.
See, now that's an upgrade. If there was ever a reason to get a 765 as the 720, buy this one because it has the right cup holder.
That's right. Back
You
of the
know.
car looks like a hypercar.
Yes,
And
very much so.
it's just nuts.
There is nothing that looks faster that's currently made.
No, exactly. That's why I love this car so much. Even though it has these quirks, which it's all software stuff, they'll be able to fix it. There's nothing else like it.
It looks
And
so
damn
fast.
it, when this thing is running, it's terrifying. It's the first car, like no one believes me that I would never modify it, but I'm not modifying it, never. And I would never turn traction off. I've also, my wife wanted to come on rallies with me, and I invited her to come on this rally.
Yeah.
And now she's never coming on a rally again. My first ever exotic was a McLaren 570.
Yeah.
That was McLaren orange. And this car, when I got to spec it, they let me pick the number because they're all number cars. So I'm number 570, 765, which is kind of cool.
Full circle.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you got to pick the VIN.
Yeah.
That is fucking
Yeah,
cool.
it was really cool. And so then, of course, I made it look like the original car.
Yeah. That's awesome. That's really, really cool. It feels so good to do. Like when you got and it's got the soft close.
A selective soft close right
Oh, it's selective?
now. Actually, it's going to work right now.
It just did for me. That's why I mentioned it. Okay, see, now it wasn't close enough. You just got to give it that nice. It tried, I heard it. Come on.
Do something. Come on, McLaren. It works like once in like 5 years.
I saw it work. I saw it. I heard it.
And every once in a while, maybe I'm not doing it right. I don't know.
Hold on, let me just do.
Where's Dave at? Hey, Dave.
Dave,
How do you make the soft close work?
could you make your soft close right?
What's the trick?
I got it. You just got to give it that good shove.
Shove, is that it?
Just
slam it really hard.
so it just shuts.
Yeah.
McLaren's the only car that you need an engineer on staff to operate.
We need it. Sir. Look at that, like these.
He's gonna do it. Did his soft close work?
Oh yeah, it did.
Oh, very nice, very nice.
It only doesn't work. I swear to God, Randy actually fun with Larry.
What did Randy do about your car?
All right, it's back. Dave has, in theory, given it the shakedown run, or is he now hiding it?
He sprinkled the magic sauce on it.
Is that the long-term parking spot? He's like, you ain't driving this?
It looks so good. I keep fucking with him. I'm like, dude, you gave me a 75 LT, not the 765 LT. Like, what's up?
So I beat that pretty hard just now. Did you hear me sliding?
No.
Oh. I slid that whole turn.
That's awesome.
But no, check engine light's not on.
Check engine light's not on?
Actually, don't see it. No, it's still no, it's still on.
I was like, yes.
No, check engine light's still on. The boost I can still get it to. I can get it to come off.
Yeah.
If I can get it to turn back.
How?
So I do a launch. I did a launch in the back. How'd you not hear me?
There's a lot of music. And
We didn't hear anything.
Really?
So you got to go into limb mode and then out of limb mode.
Yeah.
How to get out of it?
Did a launch at the end there.
So basically, I just have to launch it everywhere I go.
It's all software.
Am I good enough to take him out and try and scare the shit out of him now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You should be good.
Oh, man. Oh, yes. So good. So excited. Woo! And I'll say the same thing that everybody says when they get in these Senna seats. They're so much more comfortable than they look.
They really are.
Do we have any lights?
Just the one.
What's the just one? Oh, just the brake light?
No. You gotta be actually over here. Let's see it.
Oh,
It's nice.
Is it that?
McLaren
Oh,
hides.
they hide it.
so the passenger can't even know something's wrong.
Oh, yeah.
Sneaky.
I just noticed you have a vent there which has more vents on top of it. Yes. More vents.
Oh yeah, we got those. We're good. Yeah, we good.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Good Christ! Oh my god! Turner! No!
It's running.
It's running! There is only one sensation that's even close to that, and that's a roller coaster.
It's insane.
When a roller
This
coaster
is
starts
insane.
pulling and then it just keeps pulling, and you get that sensation of just the thrust forward.
No, like it. Like
Oh my
sucks you back into
goodness,
the seat. It's
yeah.
literally insane. This car should not be sold.
This is so fast.
Yeah.
For anybody to get in and drive.
It's literally insane. And it's cool because it gets faster as the gears go on. Because the car's like, you know what? Second gear, I'm going to give you a little bit of power. Third gear, a little bit more. Fourth gear, have fun. Just have fun.
First gear, I was like, okay, whatever. Second gear, I was like, oh no, things are happening.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
That's what I want to do is hit GoPro and like take my grandma out.
Take anybody out.
She have a facelift by the time we're done.
Yeah, she'll be 20 years younger. You know, I'm thinking about this. This is fast. I'm really scary to see what this car is like in like 5 years. Like, what the f?
If this is the pinnacle,
How are they gonna make it much faster? Could you imagine if they make the 1000 LT? What's this shit gonna be? Is it just gonna take off at that point?
It's gonna
Because
have
we can't
wings.
be that much farther off from it.
Yeah, this is a spaceship. We have aliens that landed and gave us this car. All right. We're good here.
Oh my.
Right?
Yeah. Oh my god.
It's like going on. For my next trick, I'm so short. I know. I sit so far up on.
Oh my god.
Oh no, you know what?
Oh, are you not gonna make that?
I'll make it. Watch.
Dude, you got that's a strong door strut. Are you gonna? You got PBS?
Oh, you know what?
You good?
Yeah, miles of room. I made that harder than I should have.
You know, Turner, you know why I love your love of this car? Because you love it just like I love my Mercy, unconditionally.
I love this car. Yeah.
Unconditionally, and when the moments it works, it reminds you why you got it. But
also,
everything else is just.
It's a great reminder.
hysterical.
Nothing is perfect.
Yes.
Nothing is ever perfect. You gotta accept it for the flaws.
You gotta own one of these cars, and you gotta have a bit of automotive masochism in you. You gotta have to enjoy suffering a bit.
Oh yeah, and I'm friends with Randy.
Yeah,
so I suffer daily by reminding me when this does not run 100%.
Dude. Oh my goodness. It felt like a roller coaster. I've never been in a car that's felt that fast.
You're shaking.
Oh my god.
You're shaking.
Like, you know when you're on a roller coaster and it starts to accelerate and you feel that moment where you kind of lose your ability to breathe?
Yep.
And you go, holy shit, we're going fast, and it feels like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
That's what you feel in that. I can't recall any other car, even his 720 when it was tuned, doing that.
I mean, you know, it's a 2 on a track 2.1 0 to 60. It's a 2.3, 2.4 on the street. This is where the conversation's going to totally get blown, because you can walk into a Tesla dealership for $150,000 and buy the 1,200 horsepower now Model S Plus that will take that thing and destroy it. That car is going to be flat on its ass when the Tesla runs, guaranteed. When Jeremy would sit there and say, "Now I want to show you the difference between driving a fast car." He did it with the Aventador and a Golf, and he says, "Yeah, Golf, yeah. So this is a fast car. This is a really fast car." Well, no, and then he did the Apollo. What was it? No, the Pagani Zonda R. Oh yeah. Oh, Zonda R. Daddy wants.
Imagine if you somehow boosted an SVJ and made the SVJ run like that. It would be horrifying.
Comment below if you know someone that has, because there's a couple like twin turbo Aventadors.
Yeah, Aventadors, yeah.
I want to see one.
Yeah.
I want to see one. There's like, I know there's one that makes like 1,600 horsepower in Texas or something. I want to see a twin turbo Aventador.
I know somebody in New York that has one. Underground Racing. The white one. Tatian.
Well, like, you need to make phone.
We're now gonna.
Actually, you know what?
Free
Hold
Jimbo
on.
sticker. Oh, can we raise the wing more? You can do that?
Yeah, you can.
No, he just did it and like, sorry,
That's how we used to set it.
I can't see.
Oh, yeah. I can't wait.
Oops, sorry.
I could fit a body back there.
I still need to move forward a little bit more. I'm just
Seriously?
waiting, yeah. But everyone, I like sit back because my legs are short, so I gotta be way up close, but then I don't want to be like this, so
Yeah.
I lean like way back.
All right, Savage Garage's mom is driving the Aventador.
Savage mom! Oh, I gotta move up forward more.
So how does this Aventador compare to the other ones? What do you think?
They're all very different. They're definitely all very different, which is amazing. It's like, what other car could you drive the various models and have it be that different?
Just riding in a passenger sense, the SV ride's different, the SVJ ride's different.
It's like,
This is the smoothest, I think, of them.
there's definitely a reason, you know, when people are like, why have more than one of the same? This is the car you can justify why having the Aventador, the SV, the SVJ, they're all very different.
Twin Peaks because of boobs. That's what it is. Come and get it. Yep, I'm tired.